Hello guys, I hope you are doing really well. Today I have with me JBL Tour Pro 2 earbuds, and in this video I am going to show you how to fix the connection problem for these earbuds for Android phone. So first of all, open the Bluetooth settings on your phone. So I will bring down this quick panel and here is the Bluetooth icon. So I will press and hold it like this. So here you can see it is showing me JBL Tour Pro 2. But if I try to connect it, for example, if I just select it like this, it will start making a connection. But after a few seconds, it will say that it is unable to connect. So I will show you, and I will also show you how to fix this issue. So here you can see it is saying couldn't connect. Okay, so now what you have to do in the first step, you have to put these earbuds back into the charging case. So I will put them one by one like that. So here I will put the left one and now I put the right. So now what you have to do, you have to turn off the Bluetooth on your Android device. So I will turn off the Bluetooth. Now in the second step, you have to close the charging case. So I will close this charging case and then I will turn on the Bluetooth again. And then I will also open the charging case like this. And now if I try to connect the JBL Tour Pro 2 from here, it will get connected. So here you can see it is now in the connection process, and now here you can see JBL Tour Pro 2 is now connected. So here you can see now it is connected. If you want to check, you can also check it through the JBL headphones app. So I will go out of the Bluetooth settings and here is the JBL headphones app. So I will open this app. So here if you can see it is showing the JBL Tour Pro 2, and now you can see it is showing all the features and functionalities for these earbuds. So you can customize everything from here. So everything is ready to go. Now my earbuds are connected with my Android phone. So guys, this is how you can fix the connection problem for these earbuds. So this is for today's video. Please like this video and please subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much.